DSTC, the name itself I have heard since I was in India.
I consulted other people who had already cleared their courses and they had great things to say.
I joined the AFK and the ADAT comprehensive course. The thing I love is the knowledge I gained from the instructors, the amount of practice that I had towards facing the AFK exam, and the motivation that I got overall from all the staff at GSTC.
They try to accommodate you, they work with you in terms of what is needed and what's best for you to finish the whole process of being a dentist in Canada.
I would say the place is very student friendly, and I got good guidance from all the instructors throughout my journey and the support that I needed to clear my exam with great confidence.
So whenever we had any doubt, we approached to any instructor, they were all there to help us. And at any point we feel low and we doubt ourselves, they were there to boost our confidence.
Whatever issue they have, they are ready to help you out with the guidance, all the tips and tricks, how to crack the exams. And with their help and a little bit of hard work from my side, I cleared my ADAT also and I got a good score. And based on that score, I applied for various universities and I'm getting calls from all of them.
The flexibility they provide us, that is a very beautiful thing, because being a mother of two, I needed that and they gave me that accommodation. So I'm really grateful that I joined this institution.
If somebody asked me, I would 100% recommend DSTC.
I did recommend two of my friends who is currently taking the comprehensive AFK ADAT coaching.
I think DSTC is the clear choice.
Yeah, I would recommend everybody.
Dental Simulation Training Center, leading the way in dental training.